Hi guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my Kawaii. So today we're going to open some mail. We got a package from V, who's one of our Patreons. Thank you so much, V. This is a giant box. She's one of our Patreons. Thank you, V. Okay, so I'm going to let the girls open the box because their reaction is much more precious than my own. So I'm going to give Sienna the mic, okay?
I'm Sienna.
Okay, should we open it? Ready?
So, what do you think it's gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be? Must be one Hello Kitty because it. Oh wow! This is such a cute. This is so cute. Mommy, have you ever opened this before? I knew it. I knew it was gonna be like this, but why is it no color? I wonder why. Mommy?
Let me see.
Mine is
you
the
got
pretty.
the special one. Yours is rare. It's gold and silver.
Mine is more prettier. I got rare. I get gold and silver.
Surprise one.
But I got color. It's not ugly, it's rare. A suitcase.
So cool. That's so cool.
How do you open it?
So cool.
Aww.
Those are so cute. This is such a cute pouch. You got Kiki and Lala.
I got an ugly one.
That's so cute.
I hope you get the famous one, Valentina.
You got a kitty cat. Oh my gosh, the pouches are so adorable.
Yeah. They're I'm gonna get my belly, I think. Look.
Oh, it's so cute.
This is so cute. Daddy, look at these. Okay, so we were taking a break, so we turned off the camera. And we wanted to take a little break because we went to Amora and ate popsicle with Daddy.
Okay, what are you guys gonna do now?
Open some more boxes. But can you believe?
How do you feel?
Sad.
Why?
And you stepped on my toe. I didn't. You stepped on my toe right here. I was being wacky and made her laugh and say sorry. so cute. Oh, so I get it. It's a doll. I hope I don't get the same thing. No same thing. No same thing. No same thing. No same thing. I get different. I don't like this. I get a sandwich. Why do I get a sandwich? You want mine? Yes. Here. Actually, this is mine. I hope I don't get the ugliest one. I'm so mad. I'm so jealous. I'm jealous. I got Kiki. Can I see? No, but I'm jealous that she got Kiki. You could have Kiki for its partner. I'll just have this hamburger. Kiki's Lala's best friend. Take out both of them. Oh, we need to wash that Gouda, Tama, huh? Yeah. Here's the Gouda.
Whoa. It's so gooey, too.
I love this one. But I want the clear one and the white one. I want the clear one more. I want the clear one more though. Can I have the clear one? I want you to put. You're supposed to eat it. It tastes good. Who doesn't like jelly beans? Raise their hand. Do you not like jelly beans? I don't like jelly beans at all.
They're good. Try it.
Okay. Where's mine?
Try it, Shanna.
I don't like it. Okay, there's a real baby in here, and don't hurt it. It's an egg. It's an egg. It's an egg. I'm going to bring the bubbles one. I'm going to bring the bubble one. A big bubble.
So V also sent a bunch of other Trader Joe's snacks, and Trader Joe's is probably my favorite grocery store in the US, and I really miss it. So thank you for sending us all of these treats. And this mug is so adorable. I love the mint color and the little gold sparkles. I will definitely be using this to drink my green tea. Thank you so much, V. This was so amazing and so generous. And I have never seen these Hello Kitty Kidrobot pieces before, but they are so adorable and I love everything.
Thank you, V.